US AutoForce team is great to work with, from top management all the way down to the guys that are pounding the streets. You have a question, if they don't have the answer, they'll find somebody that does have the answer.
I've gotten to know the guys really well, a lot of the people at US AutoForce, due to functions like this where they put on a nice convention. Also some of the perk trips, I've been able to take advantage of those for a number of years. So it becomes more than just a business relationship, it becomes a personal.
Their delivery is prompt. It's a great benefit to us when they're going to be delayed or there's a shipment issue. We get a phone call, usually on my cell phone, before it even gets there.
US AutoForce is awesome at delivery. Their logistics system is top notch. If you order a set of 4 tires, it's their last 4, they're there the next day.
It's a hotshot delivery service where most of my stores are in. They're helping me in my business. They're not trying to compete with my business.
It is a great profitability tool for a dealership to be able to use their marketing programs, to be able to use their road hazard program. There's a great return on investment from it.
The Tire One program is probably the least utilized program that they have that has the biggest impact on your bottom line. From the 20 groups to the road hazard protection that they offer, it's top notch. You definitely need to be involved with it.
You know, it's providing tools for us. And I think they truly seek out ways to help us. You know, things that we don't have the time or the resources to seek out. And for the group, they find a way to do it.
I have worked with all of the major tire distributors in the Midwest. US AutoForce by far has the best service, has the best selection, and responsiveness to issues. Every company has problems once in a while. They don't take any time at all to resolve something.
We've been working with US AutoForce for about 15 or 16 years.
I've been a customer of theirs for about 20 years now.
I've been a customer of US AutoForce for about 10 years now.
Between 2 different companies I've worked for, I've been a customer for 9 years with US AutoForce.
We've been direct with US AutoForce for the last 10 years.